All right, people, I got a reversal play here for DIS. Before I explain this plan, DIS has been a stock that the last time I made an update was here. I mean, they failed to confirm this miserably. And of course, because we waited for confirmation, they pulled it back. But the way the stock has been acting, it has created a reversal setup. And so it's kind of like in a transitional phase where I believe we can get back to these targets here, which is 112 to 114. And the August 18, 105 or 110 calls could be used, or one could use as well the July 28, 105 calls, on the short term of it, right? There's still quite a bit of time with that. If there's a bit of enough of a pop, this isn't going to be just the smoothest move. It's not just going to run to 112, but you never know. But it can make a good move where it busts above. Now, one key thing I want to make is that 106.65, once we do confirm and do well, 106.65 will be a key pivot point. In other words, it should base around there, and then try to repop higher. So this is a stock that could take some time, and that's why you could use a combination of July and August. So you could use the 110s and the July 28s, take profits on these and hold these as runners, whatever. Just suggestions, okay? But again, it doesn't really all matter as long if this does not confirm, because it might need more time. This is the thing. But something happened. Some good action happened today. Something interesting. Um, Enough to say that we might get a good enough of a pop to make money, no matter what. This needs to break above 106.65 on some good action volume, and good action volume is 600K on a 10-minute chart. Now, we want to see some good volume and power and pressure through 106.65. That's a key pivot point, and there's where you want to engage. If not, you want to see basing above that and look for power towards 107. All right. So let's go take a look at the options. All right. So here we are at the Yahoo Finance, and Disney closed at 105.75. The 105 calls are here. The August 18 105 calls here. You can see there's good open interest in here. By the way, good open interest in all of these in the 110s. Of course, 115 is very far, but if you're going to go in, if you want to use the August, you need to use these really in the money ones, or the 110 a little out of money. But the reason why you want these is that your anticipation, if this smashes above 110, and it has plenty of time, you'll make a lot of money simply holding these options. Now, I make the video for you to see for yourself. This is something that's going to take time, but hundreds of percent gains could be made if Disney smashes above 110. Of course, that could take several weeks. Okay, that's if, listen to me, that's if it confirms and it follows my plan. Okay, just quickly, we're going to go take a look at the July 28, and these are the 105 calls. These are good to use as well. You can see there's some reasonable open interest in this. There was some reasonable trading happening, and there's the spreads are tight. So these are ways to capture some gains in this. And there's a couple of weeks to hold this, to make whatever, to double your money in these as well. So we'll see how these do as well. So you've got the July 28 105 calls at, of course, when this confirms, it will cost more. It could cost about $1.60, $1.70. So these could be used. You can see they did. I mean, these traded pretty well, the 107s, in terms of volume for today. And so that means the open interest will improve. And so, one could look at using these. Once you make money in these are short. Now these have time, but once you make money in these, you scale out of them, and then you can also go into the August. So again, we'll go back to the August 18, and you could use these as a reference too to gain a position, or buy both. And what you do is you take profits in one, and then you hold these as runners, depending on how well Disney holds above that key pivot point that I explained in the video. And of course, confirmation is key. All right, people, welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post great plans. Confirmation is key. Study the videos. anyways, you can see the banner over here. Everything that I post is important information, and what I explain is detailed facts in the video. Your success depends on you understanding what I am saying. I post great plans. Check out my Apple plan, July 15. Winning no matter what you did, whether you bought the dip or you bought the breakout. Win, 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 win. Simply with, you know, a majority of the time, not everything's smooth and not everything makes money right away. Does well, but a majority of the time, a lot of our confirmed plans do. Especially when you see that I don't use weekly options, that means I'm more serious about them. It's more for where I put more money in. If it's a weekly option, I don't go as big. It's more for quick bucks, quick pops. If they don't, those are the ones that may not work as well, by the way. But when you see me using, monthly and ones that have more than 1 week, that means those are the ones where I feel they can make us safer money. Okay, and of course you've seen the diligent plan. Check out my Apple long-term plan. What that's about. That's not gonna. Just check it out. You'll see. You'll understand. And then of course check out my July 15th plan for Apple plan. Very very good plan. This is the things that I do, people. Very detailed stuff. Unlike anything else out there. Unlike anything else. And things I said about FedEx. Oh, if you check out that plan, that is powerful. The FedEx plan. You 1 second here. You see, what I did is I scrolled through my uploads over here, and you look for this FedEx update, July the 10th. Listen to what I said in that video. You go into it, right? Listen to what I said, okay? And this is when FedEx was up in the air. Like crystal ball, what happened with FedEx. This you will not see or hear from any service out there. Nobody does this kind of analysis skills. It's really top-notch stuff, people. All right, people. See the Sandro Power Trick or Trade symbol? It's going to appear here in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. That you're going to see as it appears at the end of the video. So there you have, people, a great detailed plan for DIS. Confirmation is key. Thanks for listening. Like the video.